Hello! Good morning everyone! Happy Tuesday! So today, meron tayong practical activities ng ating caregiver students po, no? So panoorin natin, pupuntahan natin yung kanilang classes at panonoorin natin yung kanilang demonstration kung paano ba sila nagkakandak ng mga demo and then paano kinakandak ng instructor yung mga classes niya. Of course, kasi dito sa ating caregiver practical training course, ito is siya, face-to-face, once a week class, and then magiging certified ka within 3 months lang. So, ngayon samahan niyo ako at panoorin natin yung kanilang demonstration. Tara! So, nandito tayo sa demo ng ating mga students. Okay? Kasi, bilang isang caregiver po, no, hihinaan ko lang yung boses ko. Bilang isang caregiver, kailangan yung matutunan yung mga basic skills ng caregiver. Okay? So, yung mga paggamit ng PPE, paglagay ng tamang gloves, yan. So, isa yan sa kailangan natin na matutunan yung pros, don't and dos. Yes.
Now, I'm done scanning the map. And then you have the code. You cannot avoid to touch outside. You must connect the unfold area. I will be running adapting my graph. First, you must graph. And then, yes, next. And then, use my dominant hand to help my dominant like this. And graph the other side. And then this pose. And then if you have a glove in your hand, I will put inside two hand glove. And then I will help my dominant hand avoid touching the gloves. Next, I will duck my face. Put inside. And then next, I will duck my. You can help this. I will untie my gown. After untying, this pose your gown. By rolling it like this. And then we are going to ducking. Next, I will duck my face. If the patient is normal, you can drop you can remove your.
So, yes, ito yung classes natin ng caregiver practical. Tuesday batch po yan. So, yung course na to is 3 months duration lang po yan. And kahit sino ay pwedeng mag-enroll sa ating caregiver practical training course kasi still open for enrollment po yung ating batch ng Tuesday, Monday, ayan, so Saturday, and Friday po, open po siya for enrollment. So, sa mga kababayan natin na gustong maging isang certified caregiver, ayan, so join na po tayo, mag-enroll na tayo, and magkaroon tayo ng basic skills as a caregiving, ayan, nursing skills, elderly skills, ayan. So, yun yung mga kakailanganin natin. And of course, meron tayong mga bonus topic na binibigay din ng instructor na kakailanganin nyo kung kayo is magtatrabaho na sa hospitals po, no, sa mga clinics as a caregiver or nursing aide or nursing assistant. Kasi although yung course natin is caregiver, yung title ng course natin, caregiver practical training course. Pero it doesn't mean na yung magiging work mo ay caregiver lang. Pwede kang maging isang nursing aide, pwede kang isang maging nursing assistant, or healthcare professional, yan. So, number 1 yan is caregiving. Okay, so yun, sa mga gusto mag-isang competitive na caregiver, kahit saang bansa ka man, or kahit saang bansa man kayo mag-apply ng work po, no? So, enroll na tayo sa aming caregiver practical training course. Ito is CPD accredited ng UK po, no? So, international certification yung ma-receive nyo dito. And of course, ito is once a week lang yung klase natin. face-to-face, hands-on practical classes dito sa ICC Kuwait City Branch in Malia, Panasonic Tower, 8th floor. So for more details ng caregiver practical training course natin, mag-comment down below na ng interested or message us on our WhatsApp number +965-993-02850. Thank you so much everyone, and this is Ms. Rochelle again of ICC, your partner in success.